Good morning, Anu sir.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
Good morning, sir. Good, sir. I think not every student has joined till now.
Okay, let
12
them.
बज चुके हैं. Yes, sir. So I had sent them the. Oh, oh.
Nice
I'm
background.
sending a. Yeah, I'm sending a message in the BBA1 group. Yeah, I have already sent. Okay, I'm just sending a message. Yeah, hello, students. Is there any
Yes,
difficulty in
ma'am.
joining the class? I hope there is no any difficulty, right?
No.
Okay. The link was fine. Have you entered the class through the link, right? Okay, if anyone who has not received the ID, Microsoft Teams ID, that is bvp.edu.in, they can join as a guest. I will admit them. So I hope everyone had joined till now. No, only 32 students has joined. So your Briscoe's class, microeconomics, is it still going on or the
Oh,
attendance is taking?
oh,
It is over, right?
over, ma'am, over.
Ma'am, it has
Okay,
just got over.
all right. So now we will be having a session of introduction of all the faculty members in BVMR. So all the regular faculty members who are permanent faculty. So we will all introduce us to you. Okay. So in fact, Mr. Anuj Kumar sir is already here. Just sir is waiting for all the students to join. So, like in the previous session, one of the student asked whether you can get the email ID and contact number of the faculty members. So, like we'll be all available in college. Even now, we are having our duty and we are physically present in college. So, otherwise, we will provide you all the email ID so that you can contact us over email ID, our official email ID. So it will be shared to you. Till now, not everyone has joined. Anuj sir, Anuj sir.
1 minute ma'am, gira sir के साथ phone
All
करिए.
right, fine sir.
Ma'am, when will we get our ERP IDs?
You will get your ERP ID by this week. So before starting up your, because ERP ID is required only when your classes will start. Like now we are having our introductory or orientation program. So you might have already known why orientation program or induction program is required, right? Whenever you join any new organization or a new institution, you need to be accustomed with the new organization, how it process, how the works are going on, right? So similarly here we also have a brief course, right? What's brief course? So that you get an introduction of some subject, right, which are not common for, like for example economics might be the students who are from humanity background or commerce background, they might be well versed with what is economics, but students from science, they are not accustomed with what is economics. Similarly, mathematics. So business mathematics, maybe the students from science, they are commerce, they are well versed with what is business statistics or business mathematics is. But for students who is from humanity background, they are not well versed with this subject like mathematics or statistics. So this brisk course is also there so that before starting up your new session, you get accustomed with, you get a introduction to the subject. So as we got introduction about some of the subjects which are not common for all the streams like humanities, science and commerce, we are having this introductory session. Similarly, here we had a introduction session with the non-teaching staff, right? In the morning session, we had a introduction with non-teaching staff. It was done so that you get accustomed with what BVMR is all about, right? Who are the people who are taking care of BVMR and who are responsible for not only for your subjects, right? So the teaching faculty will be taking care of your subject in this semester, and every semester as you progress, next semester, the next semester BBA, second semester, third semester, fourth semester, different set of teachers will be teaching you, right? So maybe now you are accustomed with me because you have met me. So now like Anush sir, he mainly teaches in final year students in international business, right? So it is important for everyone so that you know each and every faculty of BVMR. So I hope not everyone has joined. Anush sir, will you start now or will you wait for everyone to join? It's fine, sir. Otherwise, Anush sir, Anush sir, are you there? Nancy ma'am,
Yeah, 1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, session is at 12:10, so I think he has just joined and he's not here. Let us wait for 3 more minutes.
all right, ma'am, all right. Actually, Anush sir had joined even before 12. That's fine, ma'am.
Okay.
We are also waiting for all the students to join. So only around 82 students have joined till now. Still 20 students are still there to join.
Yeah.
7 have come, ma'am.
Okay, let's wait for other faculty to join so that they can introduce. Okay, let's introduce myself. So we have been talking from day one, right? I have given a brief introduction in the day one itself. So I am Rupam Jyoti Deka. So I have been teaching in Bharati Vidyabit for the last 6 years, and I have a previous work experience of working in human resource management department in four of the organization for the 5 years. So previously to Bharati Vidyabit, I was into corporate. So my main area of work was into general HR, that is performance appraisal, performance management, salary administration, compensation management, and recruitment and selection. So here in Bharati Vidyabit, my main area of expertise in teaching is economics, both microeconomics and macroeconomics in BBA, then human resource management, then business ethics, and entrepreneurship development and business organization. So I take care of classes both in BBA and BBA LLB, mainly in management subjects. So I'm also pursuing my PhD from Bharati Vidyapit University, Pune. In the area of my research is human resource management only, and my area of my research is into psychological contract and organizational commitment. Okay, this is my brief introduction. And in Bharati Vidyapit, like other than teaching, I am associated with various cultural association and cultural clubs like Music Society, VVMR Music Society. Our society's name is Advait. Okay, so anyone who is interested in vocal and instrumental music, so they can join in our music society. So uh, so we have various events where our music society students perform as a band, and also our band Advik perform in various other cultural programs in other colleges like under IP University, Delhi University, and some other private management colleges, and they participate as a team, as a band from Bharati Vidyapith under the name of Advik. Our society's name is Advik. Similarly, we have a society of dance. So it is combined of both classical and Western dance. So we have a common BVMR dance society. Then we are also have um, Kalakriti Society, that is for your fine arts and craft, and Kalakriti Society takes care of all the decoration and decoration of any event like Rangoli decoration, stage decoration, and also we take care of the notice board, right? Other than that, we have a street play society. Under this dramatic society, we conduct various street plays. So street plays for any kind of social initiative. So like for example, now government has also made notification that every colleges need to make some awareness program, right, for some social initiative. So Bharati Vidyapith BVMR's dramatic society also perform various street plays, nukkar natak jo bolte hain. So we perform this for some social initiative for sensitizing public in various even rural area and some of the areas in Delhi and its outskirts for some social initiative like sanitization, for like the cleanliness, right? So for sanitization, cleanliness, and for other social issues, we keep on organizing various street plays. So street play or the dramatic society is taken care by Tripti Tiwari ma'am, and I used to take care of music society, dance society, and Kalakriti, that is your fine art society. And we have various events like Renaissance is our main annual festival, right? Annual college festival that is organized mainly in the month of February, right? In the month of February and March, we organize the Renaissance, and other than that, there are other events like Ozone Day and all. So there we are having various competition where students can participate. Just a minute. Yes, Nancy ma'am. Okay, okay. Now video is on, ma'am. Okay, students, can you see me?
No, no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We can see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I'll maybe.
Okay, Nancy ma'am. Sorry, I am making you the presenter.
Okay.
So I hope some of the faculty had joined. Okay, this is my brief introduction. So now we will start with introduction of other faculty members.
Manpreet ma'am has joined. Neetu ma'am is there.
Okay, Manpreet ma'am. Yeah. So would like to. Yes, we would like to welcome Dr. Manpreet Kaur, our senior faculty. She will introduce to you. Yeah. Yes, ma'am, please.
Yeah, good afternoon, students. Welcome to BVIMR family. I'm Dr. Manpreet Kaur. I'm Associate Professor at Bharati Vidyapith. My area of interest in teaching is accounting and finance, and I take up courses in financial accounting, management accounting, financial management, investment analysis, and portfolio. At BBA level, probably we'll interact in semester 3, where I'll be taking up a course on introduction to financial management. Now, apart from teaching, I'm a member of research committee of this institution, and I'm also a faculty head of the Finance Society of BVIMR, which is Finovation. So anyone who is interested in participation or contribution to Finance Society, they can enroll as a member of the society. And we also bring up a newsletter named Finanza, which is published semi-annually. And we coordinate, our student team coordinates with the for that newsletter. So all the best, and my best wishes to you. Do well in this new course, and I hope you will have a good exposure and experiential learning in BVIMR. Wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Manpreet ma'am. Yes, now I would like to welcome Dr. Pankaj Sahani sir. So he will introduce himself to you. Yeah. Welcome, Pankaj sir.
Thank you, Rupam ma'am. Good morning, students. I'm Dr. Pankaj Sahani. I'm associated with the Bharati Vidyapeeth from 2010, and I'm the program coordinator of BBA First Afternoon Shift. And on this day, first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you for getting admission in Bharati Vidyapeeth. Right? Welcome in the family. Students, the coming 3 years are going to decide many things of your life. What kind of the quality of placements you would be getting, the quality of friend circles, many things are going to be decided. So my advice to you is you have to take maximum out of these 3 years BBA program. Ask as many questions you can ask, learn many things, right? So with this, I would like to take the leave. Thank you, Rupam ma'am.
Thank you so much, Pankaj sir. So Pankaj sir is the program coordinator of BBA first semester afternoon shift. Now I would like to welcome Dr. Parul Agarwal sir. Parul sir.
Yes, Rupam, just a minute.
Yes.
Just
okay, sir.
Give me a second.
Students, we would like to welcome Dr. Parul Agarwal sir. He is a senior faculty member. Yes.
Yes. Thank you, Rupam.
Parul sir, we welcome you to the BBA orientation program.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Rupam. Thank you. Yeah, very good afternoon to all the students and very warm welcome to BBIMR family. I am Dr. Parul Agarwal and I am working with this institute since 2008. It has been almost 12 years. And if you talk about my total experience, so I have got more than 21 years of teaching experience. Regarding my academic background, I did my MBA from Nagpur University in the year 96 to 98 with finance as a specialization. So definitely, I love to teach all the subjects related to finance domain, whether it is financial management, cost accounting, financial management and control, management accounting, management of financial services, corporate accounting, mergers and acquisitions. These are my favorite subjects. Apart from finance, I also teach operation research. This is very, very interesting and important subject from corporate perspective. Then I also teach managerial economics. These are the subjects which I am taking care in BBA as well as in MBA, both the program. Regarding handling the portfolios, so in Bharati Vidyapeeth, I have handled so many portfolios. Like I have been the Dean Academics, Dean Students Welfare, Dean Administration. I have handled the examination department of the institute. And if you talk about my strengths, I am very hardworking and I have analytical approach, right? So logical and analytical approach. So I'm a person with that logical approach, and I see the pros and cons before deciding on anything. So it is very much required that you see the pros and cons of each and every situation and the decision making, whatever you are going to take in the future. So this is the brief about me, and one thing I would like to say to you that there is one very interesting quote, is that ships are safe at the harbor. Ships are safe at the harbor, but they are meant to go out in the sea, right? मतलब ships जो है किनारे पर harbor पे safe है, but उनका काम वहाँ पर खड़े रहना नहीं है. उनका काम क्या है? They have to go into sea. They have to take the risk, right? So similarly, you are safe at your home, right, with your parents. Now you have come out from your home right? That is what you are meant for. Now you are into the academic institution, business school, you are doing the BBA program. After that, many of you will be doing the MBAs and many of you will be joining your family business, or maybe many of you will be going for the jobs directly after completing the BBA. So what I like to convey here is that you would be required to take risks, right? So many risks you would be required to take in your life. And this is also mandatory because high return, high risk, high return, right? We always know that this is the economics principle. If you take risk, then only you will take. If you don't take risk, you... Yes, yes, Rupam ma'am. I hope, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So you would be required to take risk, and high risk, high gain is the principle of life, right? So, but before taking that risk, you need to calculate that risk. So you must take the Shiv Khera. He's a very good motivational trainer. He has written in his book, You Can Win, right? If you get time to read that book, please go through that book. But it's a wonderful book. And in that book, he has written that you must always take calculated risk. And now, what do you mean by calculated risk? Calculated risk means, suppose if you are not successful, then you can bear the consequences of that risk. If you are capable to bear the consequences of that risk, in case you are not successful, then only you should go for that risk, right? And now let me explain the calculated risk with a very simple example. Suppose you are driving on a highway. Express highways are there throughout the country, you know, and we drive too fast on those express highways, right? So if you suppose you are driving at 140 or 150 kilometers per hour, then you are taking that risk, right? And what could happen? Can any one of you reply? If we are driving at very fast speed, 140, 150 kilometers per hour, then what could happen? Any one of you can reply?
One can meet with an accident.
Accident, and accident may result into death, right? That accident may result into death. And can we bear that? Can we bear that?
No, sir.
No, we cannot bear that death. So that's why we should not take that risk, right? So why to take the risk which we cannot bear? The consequences of the risk which we cannot bear. So we should never take the risk, right? And suppose if you are driving at 100 kilometers per hour or 80 kilometers per hour, then there are chances that despite the accident, right, you may survive. So that is called calculated risk. Similarly, it happens in business, right? If you are starting a business, and business requires capital, definitely. So if you can bear the loss of rupees 50 lakhs rupees in case the business venture is not successful, then only go for that business, right? Don't go for a business which requires rupees 3 crores or 5 crores, which you cannot bear. So never go for that business. You see your capability, that what is my risk taking capacity? What is my risk taking capability? So go according to that, right? But do take risk, right? It is not like that. I am not suggesting you that don't take any risk, sit at the home, right? You will never get. So this is my message to you today, and I hope you all will follow that and keep on taking risk. But remember that should be calculated. One more thing, remember that life is like a cafeteria. Life is like a cafeteria. You can get whatever you want, right? But there is one condition: if you are ready to pay the price. What happens in a cafeteria? We go, we select our meal, and we pay the price at the counter. Similarly happens in life, right? Whatever we want, we can get, right? If we are ready to pay the price. But price here is our determination, our commitment, our hard work, right? If we are ready to pay in terms of these three things: determination, dedication, and commitment, hard work, so then only you can get whatever you want from your life. So with this, I convey my best wishes to all of you. May you all have a very bright career and very bright future. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Parul sir. So students definitely have got so much knowledge in such a short span of time from your own experience on that code. Thank you so much, Parul sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you.
So now I would like to welcome Gagandeep Kaur ma'am. Gagan ma'am, please welcome.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, all my colleagues, students. So myself, I am Gagandeep Kaur. I am an NLP and a EFT certified practitioner. I am taking sessions of business communication, soft skills, and enhancing personal professional skills, subjects like this in BBA and MBA both. And I'll be a class coordinator with one of your section E. And I welcome you all in Bharati Vidyapeeth. And about my professional career, I'm from corporate basically. For 9+ years, I was working as a manager HR in corporate, and after that, I'm into teaching, and I'm into behavioral sciences, that is behavioral trainings of NLP and EFT, that is neuro linguistic programming. I'm a practitioner. So coming up this, I just want to give you one thing only, that whatever we are doing in our life, everything is so uncertain. It's not predictable at all. We were not about knowing that what needs to be, we will be having this type of orientation. So life is very unpredictable. What we need to do is we need to plan accordingly. We cannot plan accordingly, sorry. What we need to do is we need to just consciously be in our brain so that we can be so much equipped. Whatever comes up in our life, we are ready to face that, right? And I think for that, one thing is very important, to raise the consciousness of a human being. And this is only a privilege which human beings are having. So if you want to excel in the life, you want to see that what needs to be there for your future, because definitely when you will be stepping out, you will not find the same jobs, you will not find the same business and the same scenario in the market. Definitely you need to have a certain enhanced consciousness to see how you can have your space in the market. And that is only possible when you have a higher level of consciousness to see where you can stand. And that is only possible when you know about yourself, right? To know about your patterns, to know about how you are there in life. Now I'm talking about how you are carrying yourself as a person cognitively. Now cognitively means thinking. How you are taking Bharati Vidyapeeth. What is your perception for your teachers? What is your perception for BBA? What is your perception for your life, for your career? So that will frame out whatever you are thinking is whatever you are thinking is what you're making a future on that. Okay. So if it is a burden for you, definitely it will be a burden for you. If it is an excitement for you, it will be an excitement for you. It is something which is a stepping stone for your future, which is excellent. It will be like that. So I want all of you to think positively, just perceive and have, perception, positive perception for everything, whatever is coming in your way. Okay. And because I think whatever we are thinking, it is framing our future. So ending on this part, if I just want to say that if anyone is finding any kind of problem related to the issues related to their thought process, or whether you have taken a right decision or a wrong decision, or you're dealing anything in your life, personal, professionally, definitely we are here to guide you. We all teachers are here to guide you, and we would love to guide you on this path. So again, welcome you all, and thank you, Rubu ma'am. That's all for me.
Thank you so much, Gagan ma'am. It was really nice that in such short span of time you have discussed so many things, that life is so unpredictable, and it's all based on our perception, that if we want to be positive in our life, it is just our state of mind. If I think that I am happy, then I'll be happy. If I feel that it's not, everything is boring, then everything will be boring, or like same, right? Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah. Now I would like to welcome Mr. Anuj Kumar sir. So Anuj sir. Anuj
Hello,
sir,
ma'am.
are you there? Yes.
Hello, ma'am. How
Sorry
are you?
sir. Sorry sir for making you wait. So please Anuj sir, please introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. How are you all? I hope I'm audible to all.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay. So just introducing myself, just presenting my screen to all of you. So this is about me. If you can see my screen, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So Anuj Kumar, Assistant Professor, BVI, New Delhi. I've joined Bharati Vidyapeeth on 1st of January 2016, working as Assistant Professor here. Before that, I have 11 years of experience in overall in teaching and industry, 6 years of teaching experience, pursuing PhD from Aligarh Muslim University. Prior to that, I have MS in International Business from University College Dublin, Ireland, MBA from the same institute, Bharati Vidyapeeth, where you all are attending the session today. So I'm the alumni as well. BTech from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University in Electrical and Electronics, at the same time a rank holder in BTech as well as in MBA. And this is my professional experience. As you can see, this is about Bharati Vidyapeeth, and then this is about Paperpedia. Worked in foreign as well as in India. Started my career with Syndicate Bank as a probationary officer, and then the event organized. These are the events organized: annual sports meet, different types of events, conferences attended. So I'm basically into too much into research and all. Like currently my PhD is also going on, and currently in institute I'm handling the post of program coordinator MBA just from this semester onwards. And in BBA, I'm taking subjects on finance specialization, international business, and marketing. Besides that, I'm also taking care of discipline as active discipline committee member. I'm taking care of discipline of MBA. We have a committee. One member is for BBA, one member is for BC. So overall, we are working together so that everything will go in a ship manner in an institute. So that's all from my side. Best of luck to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anuj sir. So Anuj sir, as an alumni of Bharati Vidyapeeth, is always a inspiring or a role model for most of our students, right? So looking at his success, we would definitely like to, our students would definitely like to follow his footsteps. So now I would like to welcome Dr. Neetu Jain ma'am to introduce herself to all the students. Yeah, Neetu ma'am, are you there?
Yes, Rupam.
Yes, Neetu ma'am.
So thank you, Rupam.
अनुज सर वो स्क्रीन शेयर है आपका अभी. अनुज सर आपका स्क्रीन शेयर चल रहा है अभी.
Good afternoon to each one of you present here, and very good afternoon to all the students, all the dear students who have just become the part of Bharatiya Vidyapeeth family. So I am Dr. Neetu Jain this side, and I extend a very warm welcome to all the dear students. And if I talk about myself, I am a faculty of economics. So I am associated with this college for the last 10 years, and I'm taking subjects like microeconomics, macroeconomics, managerial economics. So in BBA, in BBA semester, basically we have in first 2 semesters, semester 1 and semester 2, we have 2 subjects of economics. One is microeconomics and another is macroeconomics. So I have an interaction with BBA students in first semester if I teach them. And apart from that, I'm also I'm also working as a program coordinator for BBA program. So right now I'm looking forward for the BBA second year. So I wish you all a very happy learning. Keep exploring new things, develop leadership qualities in yourself. And dear students, you need to remember one thing, that there is no shortcut to success. To be successful in life, you will not get elevators. You have to have step up the stairs. So with this, I once again extend a very warm welcome to you all. And I wish a very happy and fruitful learning with the Bharatiya Vidyapeeth. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Neetu ma'am. Neetu ma'am, if you don't mind, can you keep your camera on, because students have not got to know
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
My camera is on, but just now I realized that it was off. So very good afternoon once again to each one of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Rupam. Thank you so much.
Okay, sorry. So thank you so much, Neetu ma'am. Neetu ma'am is also our senior faculty. She is senior faculty, especially for economics, even for me as a faculty of economics. So I always rely on Neetu ma'am for any doubt and all. So now I would like to welcome Anuradha ma'am. Yes, Anuradha ma'am, are you there?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Welcome, Anuradha ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. I hope everybody is doing fine. Everybody is doing, safe at home. And I would like to thank everybody to give me this nice opportunity to say hello to everyone and welcome you all to, our campus Bharati Vidya Peeth. And this time generally is very, the excitement of students are generally very high at this point of time when you're, meeting and students, new people in the college, and making relationships are settled here. And this is a very unique of situation in the pandemic, which has hit the industry very bad, right? So we all understand that this transit from physical classes and exploring campuses and everything to virtual settings of education. Things have been very different and quite challenging also. But I would like to say everybody to make the most of this opportunity where you have flexible timings to join the class and you're relaxed and to travel and everything. So make the most of this opportunity, and I wish you all the very best. So there's a saying that is I remember that a little. Give uh, a man a fish and you feed it for the day, but teach the man to fish and then you feed it for a lifetime. So that's what you do when you're in college, right? You enhance your learning skills and your knowledge, and then you're good to go for your life, right? You not only become the job seekers but also becomes the job creators and become the global leaders. So that is the opportunity in front of you, and make the most of it. And yes, I haven't introduced myself. Sorry. So my name is Anuradha, and I'm working as an assistant professor here for 4 years now. And my specialization area is human resource management. And I'm also pursuing my PhD from the same institute. And I wish you all the very best to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anuradha ma'am. So Anuradha ma'am is mainly for her area of expertise in human resource management and corporate behavior. So now I would like to welcome Dr. Sanjay Manochatar, sir. So he is a senior faculty member. Yeah, we welcome you, Sanjay sir, to give the orientation program.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Sanjay sir, Manocha sir, please keep your mic on.
Yes, yes. Yeah, good afternoon, all faculty colleagues and to dear students. I welcome you in Bharati Vidyapeeth Institute of Management and Research, as this is the graduate program where you have taken admission to. And after your school education, this is the first college enrollment program where you have been admitted in the BBA program. So I welcome you all. I myself, Dr. Sanjay Manocha. I am working with the Bharati Vidyapeeth University from last 12 years, and as an assistant professor, I am working, and I am having a total of 4 years of industry experience also, along with the 12 years of the teaching experience. And I teach subjects related to marketing management. Presently, I am teaching subjects of entrepreneurship development and services management and sales and distribution management. So during the entire course, what I have seen and what I have observed is that whatever you think that you want in your life, or whatever the thing you wish you want to achieve in your life, that is what your body, your mind, your soul will be helping you to achieve that. So just be ambitious in your life and give your best to achieve that thing. For that, we need our a strong willpower, determination and the hard work, which are necessary to achieve anything. And one thing I would like to suggest, as you are the newcomer in our institute, that whenever the classes are being attended, you are attending, or whenever the classes are being conducted, you need to be very sincere, and you need to be responsive to the faculty instructions. That we should not get the problem, we should not get the discipline issues related to that. As any student has misbehaved with any faculty, or any kind of the nonsense which has been created by him or her in attending the online classes. So I wish every one of you the best career ahead and the best days ahead. So any kind of the problem which are related to the institute, or which is related to the subjects which are being taught to you, there is again a systematic structure which will be told to you by your respective class coordinators and your program coordinators, that there is a hierarchy, that the students also may share their grievances or their feedback. That hierarchy also need to be followed. So be comply with all the institute instruction as and when it is being given to you. And I give best wishes to all of you for your bright future with us in this institute. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Sanjay Manocha sir. So students, Sanjay Manocha sir mainly takes classes and subjects like entrepreneurship, development, marketing, and we will meet Sanjay sir in your second year and third year semesters. Okay, thank you Manocha sir. Now I would like to welcome Dr. Anup Pandey sir to introduce himself to all the students.
Yeah,
Pandey
good
sir,
morning.
please welcome.
Yes,
Welcome
yeah,
to
sure.
BBA orientation program.
Yeah, good morning, faculty members and my dear students. I am Dr. Anup Pandey, working here as Associate Professor in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth in Institute of Management and Research. I have an more than experience of 20 years in teaching and 3 years corporate experience in banking services. My specialized subject area is finance, and almost I have done many research papers in marketing and HRM also. My favorite subjects are financial accounting, business statistics, research methodology, and corporate accounting, and all specialized fields of finance I am comfortable to teach. In Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, I am also heading the library cell. If you need any kind of help, any kind of knowledge, or any kind of information in any part of the world through library, because our library network is also a member of DELNET, Development of Library Network, that is world's second largest library network services in the world. And through leading our library cell, I am also taking care of various types of software of your related to your subjects of BCA, and if you need to do some work in research type of area, then we have different types of software for helping students. So students, please take care. If you want any type of extension or enhancing your knowledge, then be with me in library. And if you wish to write some research paper or research work, or you want to do some writing in research article, then please be with me. I am Dr. Anup Pandey, and I am sitting in the cabin of library second floor. So all the best and congratulations to you once again on the behalf of BVMR and from my side also. All the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pandey sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to welcome Miss Tripti Tiwari ma'am to introduce herself to all our students. Tripti ma'am.
Good morning, all the students, the freshers of BBA.
Ma'am, keep your camera on if you can. Yeah.
I guess Nishu ma'am wanted to say something.
Yes, Nishu ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, all right. So once again, good afternoon, all the students, the freshers of BBA. I am Tripti Tiwari. It's been around 10 years here in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth. I will be teaching subjects which are mostly IT oriented. Also, we liaison with the government bodies. So there would be a lot of programs that we will be conducting which are in line with AICTE UGC. And also, apart from the academics, the subjects that I'm teaching, I will also be contacting you for various different clubs. There are a lot of activities which are extracurricular, and also a lot of different things that we do apart from the classes. So I would like to specifically talk about them. We have cultural and clubs which are, specifically helping you out to enhance your skills and come up from your shell. So apart from only studying in the classroom, if in case you have any kind of inclination towards, let's say, dancing, we have a dance club, dance society, we have a music club, we have the entrepreneurship development club, we have a photography club, which is specifically for those students, which give them a chance to enhance their skills and showcase their talent. We also have digital marketing society. We have a particular club which is for all the artistic students. So you will find that we have different kind of clubs and societies. I am taking care of with a lot of other faculties as well. So in case you have any kind of interest in any of the clubs and societies, you can be a part of. Soon the information will be shared with you, and you will be able to be a part of these clubs and societies. At the same time, I welcome once again to all of you to this Bharti Vidyapeeth family. I wish you a very bright future here. Thank you. Thank you, Rupam. Rupam, I guess you are on mute right now.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, thank you so much, Tripti ma'am. Extremely sorry. Yeah, students, I have already mentioned about Tripti Tiwari ma'am that she takes care of various cultural clubs like Dramatic Society and Media Society for Photography primarily, and also part of other societies. And now, thank you so much, Tripti ma'am. Now I would like to welcome Dr. Nishu Marwa ma'am to introduce herself to all the students. Nishu ma'am.
Yeah. Finally, I think my turn has come. Good
No,
morning.
actually, everyone is waiting for a long time. Yeah.
Yeah, because actually my guest lecture is going on. So,
All right.
good morning to all the students and my faculty colleagues. I wish you a very, very warm welcome to this institute. Now, this institute is known for its discipline and its quality of education. So, as you accept this from us, we accept the same from you. So, one advice to you all students from my side would be expect what the institute is expecting from you, and your journey will be very, very fruitful, and it will be very, very knowledgeable. Now, good morning. My name is Nishu Edi. I've been associated with this institute for last 10 years. My specialization is marketing and business statistics. You all will come face to face with me when I'm teaching your business statistics, because I am a BTech by background, and I've done my BTech, so hence my knowledge in mathematics is there. So I would request all of you, whoever is having any problem in maths or in statistics, can always approach me. I will always be there to help you. There will be doors open where I can impart my knowledge to you and teach you and enhance you and push you in your career. So, apart from that, you will be having subjects like marketing. You're always welcome if you get stuck up in marketing, or you have some practical, you want to have some practical knowledge about marketing. We all are there to help you, and we are always there to help you if you're stuck in your career, because at one point you're going to decide what is going to be your specialization. So we all are there to guide you at whatever the best we can, so that you are on the right path and you are in the right direction. And I can ensure you that you are in the right hands. So thank you, all of you. And thank you, Rupam ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to interact with such great and new students. And I hope to see them, face to face, because this virtual interaction is a little barrier. But she is your coordinator, so I hope that when the students, that they come to second year and third year, we always remember the coordinators who have groomed you. So please get adapted to your coordinator, because they are the first step where you have to learn everything from them, and you have to approach them for all the problems that you're encountering in the institute. So I wish you all the best. Thank you, Rupam ma'am. Thank you, Nancy ma'am, for this interaction.
Thank you so much, Nishu ma'am, and sorry for making you wait, because some of the faculty have been waiting from 12:10. So that's why. Okay. Thank you so much, Nishu ma'am, and sorry for making you wait.
It's okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Nishu ma'am. And now I would like to welcome Mr. Ajay Kumar sir. So, Ajay sir, please welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you. A very good afternoon to all. My name is Ajay Kumar, and I'm working here as an assistant professor. I am one of the faculty in IT department, and currently I'm looking after maintenance and your online courses also, that is provided by ADX. I am also a program coordinator of BCA final year. So being a faculty of IT department, definitely I would love to teach you, especially in the third semester. There is a paper called Computer Applications for Business. So if ma'am permits me, then definitely I will teach you. And apart from that, I have handled examination department also. And whenever you whenever you need that you need some help regarding IT related, problem or anything related to IT, just feel free to contact us. When my maybe number is also on a group, or either it's regarding to your Microsoft Teams or your ADX. Maybe some of you are interested to join online courses. So if you need such type of information related to edX or SWAM, so definitely we are here to help you. So you can contact me anytime. Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you so much, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Ajay sir. Students, Ajay sir is the backbone of our IT department. He is the backbone. I'm not saying only for teaching, but also for non-teaching issues. So whenever we have any problem, maybe through our ERP or any kind of issue regarding computer, right? So we directly contact Ajay sir, because for us, he is the backbone of our IT department. Thank you so much, Ajay sir. And definitely, students, you will be having Ajay Kumar sir to teach you IT related subject like computer application for business in your second year and third year. Thank you so much, Ajay sir.
Thank you.
Nancy ma'am. So although we had introduced some of the faculty members to you in today's session, so but in this time period, that is from 12:10 to 1 p.m. So many of the teachers, many of the faculty are engaged in some classes. So they couldn't come here to introduce themselves to you. But definitely when times come, like in our physical classes and during events, and maybe in your second semester, third semester, we will have many of the faculty members whom you will meet. Okay, so I'm downloading the attendance for this session. Nancy ma'am. Yes, Nancy ma'am. Can you conclude the session now? So, okay. So now I would like to conclude the session if none of other faculty members are there. Yes, Avina, do you want to ask any question?
Ma'am, can you please tell me whether the faculty is same or different for morning and evening shift?
No, that there'll be mostly like are same, like subjects are same. Okay, like microeconomics, then business organization or business organization, then your the statistics and business mathematics subjects will be same, but faculties may vary. Like for example, uh, uh, I will be teaching microeconomics in section B, right? And maybe some other faculty will teach in other section. So it doesn't, it is not mandatory that I'll be teaching only on all these sections, right? Those faculty will vary for every semester and for every sections.
Basically, teachers will remain same in both the faculty shifts.
Yeah, yeah. No, not the same set of teachers will teach in the same morning and afternoon batch, right? For example, mostly like every faculty will teach the same subject in 2 classes, right? For example, I need to teach in 4 classes. So I have to teach in 4 classes, and it is not mandatory that I have to teach in only first year. So now, right now, like the admission has postponed to like from September. Otherwise, if your session had started in July, way back in July, I would have taught only in BBA first semester. But now I am engaged in BBA third semester, right? So now I'm teaching in BBA third semester. So I can give my time only to one section. So here I'll be teaching the microeconomic subject only in one section. So other teachers like Surbi ma'am, she will be taking care of 2 classes, and Neetu ma'am, she will be taking care of 1 class of microeconomics, and it doesn't matter ki whether I'll be teaching in B, C, E or F. So I'll be given the class by my management, that is Deepa ma'am and Anupam ma'am, that we have been introduced to them. So they will assign the class, but yes, since I am the class coordinator of section B, so you can be sure that I'll be teaching microeconomics in your class, right? Other classes will be taken care of by other faculties, and it will be confirmed by the end of this week before starting up your session, that is from 5th October, right?
Okay.
Okay, so I have already downloaded the attendance, and so this is the end of today's session. Like Nishu ma'am, the last faculty that introduced herself, so she also mentioned that you need to be very in touch with your class coordinator. Like me, Bhavika ma'am, and Rahul sir will be the class coordinator for this semester, right? So now, like you are starting your life or your career ही होगा ये. So if you're starting your journey in Bharati Vidyapeeth from this semester, so you need to be in contact with me, Bhavika ma'am and Rahul sir, right? Like जब आपका section divide हो जाएगा, so section B, I'll be taking care of section B. So students who will be in the section B, right? They are most welcome to contact me for any issue. Even if you are not in section B also, students from section A and C can definitely be contact me for any kind of issue, maybe in online class or any other issue. Okay, thank you so much, students. Let's meet tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay, so I'm ending today's session. Yes, students. Yes.
When we will get to know about us